Coming to the point of text formatting, although there are many ways to format the text, but I am going to share some basics of it. So you can see in the number first, once you if you want to bold the text, you need to start with the double asterisk sign and close with a double asterisk sign, and whatever the text in the middle of those asterisks would be reflect as a bold. Also you can see this is our working window, and these, and at the right hand side this is how the word will appear. Similarly, single asterisk sign will use to make your text italic. Alright, so the next option is how you can highlight the text. You just need to press the backtick key on your keyboard. Let me show you where the backtick key is located. Alright, so here you can see the red arrow. So this is the key which you need to press wherever you want to highlight the text, and once you return the text, and you need to press it again as a closing, then your text will be highlighted as in this way. So the next is how you can show the dot in the starting of the text. So this is how it will reflect. You just need to like enter and then press the dash and space, and whatever you will type, this would be dot. So whatever you type, this will show the dot in the starting of the beginning. You can see the right section of this window.